Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix airdrop not working issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, adjust airdrop to everyone. So for this, go to control center, tap and hold on the Wi-Fi, tap on airdrop and tap on everyone here, and also turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option here. And then after this, the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode, and this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So simply tap on reset all settings here and go back now. And then after this, the next solution is restart your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So for this, go to settings, tap on Bluetooth, turn it off and turn it on again. Go back and tap on Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn it on again. And then after this, the next solution is log into iCloud and log out and log in iCloud again. And then after this, and the next solution is update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest version updated to my iPhone, iOS 17. So go back. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone airdrop not working issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.